Ah, what a fucking evening. Alright guys, how the fuck are you? It's Moto Dragon here again. I feel pumped, I feel excited. It's like 5:45 in the afternoon and it's beautiful, and my mirrors are so grimy. It's absolutely beautiful out, it's lovely. I just decided, fuck it, I need to go for a spin. So I said I will go get some air in the tyres and then I'll show you guys a quick walk around the bike, because I've done another mod to it that only if you follow me on Instagram and you know about it. A little bit better at the wheelies. It's still not amazing, but I'm getting there. I have a tail pack on my bike as well, and I really need to sort out the clips on it, because they're rubbing on the fairing and I don't want them to do damage. It's actually so nice. I have my new Kevlars on and I have my Tracktech Evo jacket on, so you know it's actually warming up because there's no lining in this. I have a hoodie on and the t-shirt and that's it, and I still have the Tempest gloves on, the Dainese Tempest, but that's only because it's not warm enough to have my hand droids on, because they're fucking cold gloves. They are really cold gloves. Yeah guys, I'm almost at that 960 mark of subs, which is fucking amazing. I have the logistics sorted out for the giveaway, so I'm gonna do a separate video on it, on like what's involved, how to enter, kind of not rules, but I was gonna say legalities, but basically like how you can enter and stuff like that. I kind of can't really think. I'm just back from work and my brain just doesn't want to work today. This fine evening, it does not want to work. I also don't like these jeans. My first time wearing them, and I literally feel and look like a fucking lesbian. And I wish I was joking, because I really do look like a lesbian. Even Mrs. Dragon's making fun of me. Yeah, I'm gonna go get air in the tires, and then I'm gonna give you guys a quick walk around the bike, show you the mods, because I kind of realized I never actually shown off even the carbon pieces. I never actually shown them like all around like a video. I just done the video on putting them on, and that was about it. It was Paddy's Day over the weekend, so happy Paddy's Day to everyone. It was Paddy's Day on Sunday. It's now Tuesday, bank holiday. Yeah, Tuesday. I still think it's Monday and I don't know why. But yeah, the Paddy's Day was Sunday, but then on Friday evening, I think it was, there was a building burnt down and like proper fucking demolished. Like, so the guards are everywhere, everyone's a bit on high alert, because then on Saturday night, I could have my days wrong, could have been Thursday or Friday, but then the night after, another building just down the road from me was set on fire too. It just makes it a little bit dangerous to do shit, because there's actually a lot more unmarked cop cars here. Yeah, quick little update as well. 16th of June, me and Lucky Luke actually were doing a track day in Mondello. Just so happened that I got a voucher and he got a voucher, so we picked a day where the weather was going to be kind of not guaranteed sun, but it's the summer, so it should be nice. So we picked a day that it's going to be nice, and we're both in novice. And normally what I do is I'll go in novice, and I'm feeling more comfortable, I'll go up to inters if there's a free spot. Especially because I'm not used to this bike yet. How are you? Sorry? I only done them the other day. I made a new friend. We're just chatting for a little while. I'm just gonna bring you to the spot I normally do my kind of walkarounds in. I always like meeting other bikers, because we're just chatting, and he was just asking how the MT-07 was, because he was gonna get an MT-09. He was gonna get an MT-09, so having a quick chat, because don't really like first gear wheelies, but I have to get a bit more confident with them. But I don't like wheeling here because there's always fucking broken glass here. So yeah, guys, I said I'll just give you a quick walk around of the beast. So straight away you can probably see on the wheels, that's some nice new stickers. So I got rim decals. That's coming off because I done this wheel. This side was done shite, like really fucking bad. But yeah, they just say MT-07 and Yamaha, and they're red, and I think they look fucking really nice. So the front doesn't have any on at the moment because I'm actually waiting on the other Yamaha ones to get here. Only 4 came in the kit, but I didn't like 2, so I didn't like 1 on one side of the wheel. I thought the 2 looked nice, so I bought more, so they're coming anyway. Yeah, like I think they look really nice. I wasn't too sure about them, but I think they're really, really nice. So the carbon, of course, there's the heel plates, and there's the hugger extender, and it's on really strong. I remember if you remember in the video, I wasn't too sure on how it was going to hold up because I'd done it in like fucking really cold conditions, but it's held up fine. It's held up like perfectly fine. Get a bit better shot at the carbon fibre. I think they look really nice on the bike. They just darken it down because they were all like the heel plates now, too much silver. Lucky Luke has the midnight or the blacked out version of the MT-07, and all what you can see like a silver on this is black, and it just looks fucking savage. So I'd like to do something similar to this, but not too much. Not too much. I mean, you can see the levers look really, really nice. And the issue with them, actually, if I can get it on camera, was not really going to be able to see it, but there's like a little black bit under there that sits in on the adapters, and that's what was wrong with it. But yeah, guys, like I just said, I'll give you a quick walk around the bike, take us out for a little vlog, and show us this. It's what it looks like. Still have more to do, so what I'm going to actually do is, may as well say it, is I'm going to get rid of turn signals, put flush mount ones. I'm going to get rid of the tail itself, the indicators and the tail light. And yeah, I have a bag on the back that doesn't seem to be that strong. But yeah, that's what I'm on about. Like they're just rubbing there on it, so I want to put something on them. But yeah, I only have that because I have my lock in it for work. But yeah, that's all that I'm going to do for it. That's going to be the main bulk, but I don't know when I'm actually going to do it. I'm in no rush to do it because the indicators don't actually bother me too much. But yeah, guys, like I just said, I'll give you a quick look at the bike and all the new mods. What do you guys think of the wheels? I think they look savage. Your man in the petrol station, actually, first thing he said is, I like those wheels. My fucking actual boxers are falling down. These pants are weird. Yeah, I really like the way the bike's gone now. I'm kind of making my own. You can see the MT-07 there. I think it looks nice because it stands out. It's similar to the levers, not making it to blend in. If I wanted to get the blend in, I wouldn't have them on. And also, for people that are going to say it, the white stripe that's on the wheel, the old rim tape, it's not fucking rim tape, it's paint. So I couldn't get it off, and I wasn't going to put like paint thinner or anything, or stripper or anything near the wheels, because I didn't want to pull the coating off, even though they're probably powder coated. I think, I don't actually know if they're powder coated or not, but I didn't want to risk it. So yeah, then I just have the MT-07 to go onto the front, and then that's pretty much it for now. Like, well, you guys let me know what you think. It's just a quick walk around. I'm very happy with it. I love the little mods I've done. So yeah, may as well just go back on the bike now and finish off our little spin. So see us back on the bike. Oh fucking hell! So there we go. That's a quick walk around. I am actually going to do like a sound check of it one of the days. I'm just going to get another microphone. I'm going to stick it here somewhere, or down there, or somewhere that we can actually get proper noise. Because I still have the baffle in. There's no need to take it out yet because it's already obnoxiously loud. And I think with the baffle out, my neighbours are going to hate me a bit too much. And I have to live beside them, so can't be all mean. And because I'm up at like 5 o'clock in the fucking morning, I don't want a really loud bike on at 5 o'clock in the morning. Regardless if you like bikes or not. Okay. There's always fucking glass here. I hate it. I'm just literally trying to wheelie any opportunity I can get. Also, as I said, I will be doing the giveaway video soon. I have all the logistic stuff sorted, so I'm just waiting to kind of get a few more subs and then I'll do it. Know what you think of the mods? What should I do more? As I said in the walk around, I'm planning on doing a few more bits. I don't know when. Money's a bit tight this month. I'm kind of spending way too much. But yeah, let me know what you guys think. So that's the video. Hope all of you enjoyed. Like, comment and subscribe. I'll talk to you on the next video.